Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove app access from your Google Drive, keeping your files secure and your account clean. First, head over to Google Drive and make sure you're logged in with the correct account. At the top right corner, click on the gear icon to open your settings. From the menu, select Manage Apps. In this section, you'll see a list of all the apps that currently have access to your drive. This is really important because some apps might no longer be needed or could pose a security risk. Next, find the app you want to remove. Click the three dots or more options next to it and select Remove Access. This will revoke the app's permissions, ensuring it can no longer access your files. Remember, this action is permanent, so only remove apps you're sure you don't need. It's a good habit to check this periodically to maintain security and prevent unnecessary data sharing. And that's it. You've successfully removed an app's access to your Google Drive.